Here is the JHL Pro Trailmaster MK125 EFI Red Edition. Get up close here. It's got a gray, red, and white scheme. Inverted front forks with the fork guards, with a 14-inch front wheel with disc brakes. I'll take you up here. Foldable, retractable levers. There's your key ignition there. Scroll down here. It's got a heavy-duty build. There's a red powder-coated frame. It's a big frame. There's the Bosch fuel injection system. Fully adjustable rear shock. There's the shock guard on the back. Take you back here. There's a 12-inch rear wheeled hydraulic disc brakes. Take you around. Better look at the forks here. Take you back. Electric start, kick start. These are good looking bikes. Fuel injection is a big deal here, so you're sick of carburetors, come check this bike out and many others at East Central Sports, Rush City, Minnesota.